Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Material UI and Emotion. This gives you components and styling power. Once done, create a theme with custom breakpoints to match your design system, then wrap your app with Theme Provider. Next, scaffold a responsive layout using App Bar for navigation and grid as the main container. Make sure to use container and item props. You do this now so components adapt across widths, reducing rework. Finally, verify that your index renders the themed provider and base layout before adding content. Now focus on the middle, converting UI pieces into responsive components. You should use grid, box, and stack with XS/SM/MD props to define behavior per breakpoint. This is concise and predictable. When you need JavaScript-driven changes, use media query to toggle logic. Apply responsive arrays or object values inside SX for padding, font size, and spacing so styles shift automatically. Also keep components stateless when possible. That makes layout changes easier and prevents unnecessary re-renders as viewport dimensions change. Finish by testing thoroughly. You should check breakpoints on devices and in Chrome DevTools to catch layout edge cases. Optimize media using src set or responsive image list sources and lazy load heavy assets. Audit spacing and alignment. Mismatched container versus item props often cause flex or gap problems. If things break, isolate the component, reduce to minimal markup, and verify theme breakpoint values. After resolving, run performance checks. Responsive design also means efficient downloads and smooth resizing for users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.